Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we'll be unboxing my April 2020 Witch's Moon box. Okay. Copper. I am a conduit for goodness and prosperity. I receive inspiration and great wealth. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Be a clear conduit for messages and inspiration. Complete inventions, formulas, and creative works. Amplify courage and confidence. And of course, the theme is Witch's Talisman Empowerment. So we'll come back to that because I always read that at the end. We've got a beautiful... Is it just one or is it multiple talismans? Let's see. Nope, it's multiple. I don't know if they're the same one. Oh, they're different. So this one's beautiful. This one's beautiful. This one's really cute. This one's cool. So I'm definitely seeing some symbols in them. Obviously they're symbols, but symbols I recognize. Alright, so let's keep moving and see what else. So here's the spell that usually goes with the candle. It's very beautiful. Upon Wings of Health. Very cool. Oh, I just realized that everything I just set up is hidden. So I gotta move this up a little bit. Healing is this one. Grounding is the third one. Prosperity. This one that looks like the Jupiter symbol. And protection. There we go. Very cool. Galangal root. Lemon peel. Eucalyptus. Yum, eucalyptus. Ooh, I like it. Smells good. Beautiful stone. Palm stone. Very nice. We got a spritzer here. Armid Anointing Oil. I should like to show you guys all the wonderful stuff that's floating in it. Smell it. Smells good. I like it. This must be the thing that you spritz though. So you're definitely not going to be spraying an oil all over everything. Ooh, Healing Light. Beautiful. And it smells nice too. Yum, 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 yum. Water medicine. It smells like roses, but not like, I haven't smelled it like too much, so it's okay. Ooh, Lavender Empowerment. I love lavender, love the container, so very cool. Some beautiful, like, unicorn horn looking candles. Very cool. we got this beautiful box here. We got everything. I love that. Pretty feather. Brown paper package wrapped up in string. I was listening for a second. Alright. I don't know if it's going to come off that way. Okay. I'm going to try and kind of wiggle it to the side without ruining the thing. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to cut it. Mostly because I saved this twine. I've got a big giant ball of twine. There we go. I got it loosened up. Thank goodness, twine. I was starting to worry about your safety. Alright, we got a pretty here. And we got this wonderfulness here. So let's see. Ooh! Pretty. Very nice. Oh, it's a little purse. Oh, a little medicine bag. Very nice. I love it. I'm going to put this little thing back because I want to keep it clean and orderly. Very cool. I love this. This is very, very nice. I'm sorry. Let's seal you up. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. Alright, let's read this. The beauty that surrounds our practices and rituals comes from our ability to bring true and powerful energy into our intentions. We work with stones, herbs, tinctures, and symbols to commune with those energies that are willing to assist us in supporting and guiding us on our journey ahead. As we use our natural powers to bring light and conviction into our surroundings, we truly embody our ability to empower our craft, our intentions, and in turn provide empowerment for those we communicate and work with on our path. We have been working so diligently on the items within this collection to bring one-of-a-kind magical tools to empower and uplift your energetic abilities, allowing you to incorporate grounding, healing, protection, and prosperity spells into your daily rituals. Okay, spell talisman pouch with feather of bravery. We have included a beautifully exclusive hand-sewn spell talisman pouch within this collection to assist you in enhancing your magical abilities. This very tool has been created with the intention of bringing forth specific energies into your reality. Magical pouches and bags have been used throughout many cultures for many generations as a way to foster specific energies such as protection, healing, prosperity, and grounding. As with any magical tool that you hold sacred in your practice, this pouch was carefully created so that you may instill your personal energies. As you use and work with this pouch, be careful to keep your intentions intimate and sacred to your personal path and ambitions. Sewn into the enclosure flap of this pouch, we have placed a quartz crystal to provide you with another way to program your intentions into its future creations. As well as incorporating a quartz crystal into the making of this pouch, we have added the magic of the triple goddess. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. We have added the symbol of the triple goddess to bring you closer to the divine goddess energy that works to enhance your magical abilities in almost all aspects of your craft. An example of a simple way to use your pouch is to place herbs, stones, personal talismans, tinctures, and symbols inside that focus on a specific energy. We recommend that you place a small handwritten affirmation into your pouch to specify its direction and providing support to you on your path. As you place items within, we recommend saying aloud, "I place," enter the name of item, into this magical pouch to bring the energies of, enter intention or energy, into my surroundings and practice. Hang your pouch near your altar, wear during ritual, or simply place in an area of your home where you want these energies to flow. To send energies to another Place a picture of this person within the pouch, stating your specific intentions and allowing it to sit for one full lunar cycle. We urge you to make these practices as sacred to you as possible, allowing you to create magic that will maintain potency and bring real manifestation into your life. We have placed a white feather under the twine that holds your box together to bring energies of courage and bravery during times of uncertainty. Prosperity Magical Correspondences artwork, which is this one. This beautiful Prosperity Book of Shadows artwork holds the necessary references to use while working to include items into your pouch. As you work with these magical correspondence pages, take the time to see what items and information calls to you. Healing Magical Correspondences artwork. And then, of course, there's protection and grounding. The set of 4 mini sigils, each of these. We have included a set of inspired sigils created by G. Ibis to include within your pouch when working to incorporate protection, grounding, healing, or protection into your rituals. These sigils have been sized so that they can fit within your spell talisman pouch and can be placed upon your altar or within your Book of Shadows. Hand-rolled, anointed upon wings of health, twin spiral candles with a spell incantation artwork. So here again is the spiral candles. And the incantation is here. We have hand rolled and anointed these candles with the intention of attracting and providing healing and empowering energies to you and to those that you hold dear. The incantation that accompanies these candles has been created as a piece of artwork that will be placed in your Book of Shadows. Okay, so before you begin, be sure to create the energy that surrounds you. You can clean, cleanse, set the tone, etc. And it goes through a little bit more about how to do that kind of working. So I wanted to just make sure I just review. We have included a special mixture of our messenger magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery into the rolling of these candles. Airmid Magical Anointing Oil. We have created this magical anointing oil with the intention of bringing healing energies into your surroundings. Airmid is one of the most ancient and powerful deities from the tribe of the goddess Danu. The great herbalist and healer Airmid personifies beauty and enchantment brought upon by her serene incantations and song. We've enchanted this magical oil with lavender, lemon, and rosemary, and have included lemon peel, eucalyptus, and lavender buds as well. Inside of your oil, you will find a Lumarian quartz said to personify oneness with your aura. It also has a special mixture of enchanted lullaby magical oil. Healing Light Ritual Aura Spray. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Healing Light Ritual Aura Spray within this special collection, created with the intention of bringing light into your surroundings when circumstances may seem deem or unfit. We recommend using this aura spray while working to re-energize your perspective on the world around you, allowing you to refocus on practices that bring light into your surroundings. So it has oils of eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, chamomile, clary sage, and a special mixture of our blessings magical oil. Very nice. A water medicine sacred salt was created to purify you of unwanted energies and thoughts. As you relax and let go during your bath ritual, focus on the positive actions that you can make in the coming months that may bring a sense of rejuvenation into your life. So basically it's lemon and rose with lemon, balm, rose, ground sage, green tea, and peppermint herb leaves. And a little bit of waterfall magical oil. Lavender Empowerment Ritual Incense Sticks. It's meant to be burned during times of disconnection. As the smoke from the incense wafts through your surrounding, allow the purifying energies of lavender to bring a sense of purpose and divine ability into your sacred space. Angelite Palm Stone. A wonderful spirit communicator stone, Angelite provides us with the ability to connect with guides, angels, and ancestors while working to find answers during divination or to simply receive confirmation during times of difficult decision making. It's a perfect shape to place upon chakra centers, hold during times of uncertainty, or set upon tarot and oracle cards to charge when not in use. And then, of course, we have lemon peel. Enhance awareness of your craft, foster a relationship with those you love, and hold in high esteem, as well as to bring clarity during times of confusion. You can use it in your pouch to promote love and understanding. Galangal root. Enhance protection and prosperity spells during times of quick health and manifestation. You can put it in your pouch to draw financial security into your immediate realties. Realties. Eucalyptus leaf. Potent source of healing energy. Wonderful herb to use while practicing visualization. Can be placed in your pouch to send healing energies that are to those that are in need. And then, of course, the oracle reading is from the Crystal Intentions Oracle deck by Margaret Ann Lembo. And, of course, parchment paper. Very cool. Love this box. I love the items. I love the themes. I love this. And I really like how it gives you like a lot of flexibility to do whatever you really need at that moment. It's very useful and versatile box. I really, really like it. I really like this. I like the size of it too. You can get a good amount of items in here. And with the straps, you can hang it on your ofrenda, on your altar, in your working space, in your car, around your person, anywhere. So very, very, very lovely, very soft, beautiful, subtle. I love it. I mean, the color's really subtle. I think it's really nice. So, and of course, I love the sigils. I love the smell of this. I love palm stones. And I'm collecting these. You guys know that. I talked about that recently. So, there you have it. Witch's Moon, April 2020. Absolutely love it. And I hope you guys do too. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.